How to log in PNC Bank online banking. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into PNC Bank online banking account. For this, you want to open any web browser. Now, you want to search for PNC Bank, then tap on the option of pnc.com. Once you land on this website, you want to tap on the sign on option at the top right corner of your screen. Then you want to enter your user ID. After you've entered your user ID, go ahead and enter your password. If you want your user ID to be remembered, check the box that says Remember User ID. Now tap on the login option. If the details entered by you are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your ID or password, tap on the link that says Forgot ID or Password. Now it's going to ask you if you know your user ID. Tap yes if you do. Then you want to enter your user ID over here. After you've entered that, you want to tap on the next option. Now follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.